Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Street Fighter 6 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search button and just type in Street Fighter 6 and start your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and this will then take you to the games page. After watching the review and the trailer as well, just scroll down and you will also find the demo version which you can download and play to decide whether you would like to purchase the game. In order to purchase, just click on the Add to Cart button alongside the edition that you want to buy. When you do this, it will now be added to your cart and you can then click on View My Cart option. Now click on Continue to Payment and then you can choose your payment method. Choose your method from the drop-down menu and then click on the Continue button to proceed with finalizing your payment. Once you log in and provide your credentials and the payment has been finalized, the game will then be added to your library, from which you can start the download and installation to enjoy the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Street Fighter 6 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.